Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PartnerStack referrals and commission rules step by step clearly. Log in to your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the Referrals tab on the main dashboard. Select Commission Rules from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Commission Rule button. Choose the type of commission you want to set up. Decide whether it will be a flat fee or a percentage of sales. Fill in the commission amount in the designated field. Set the currency for your commission. Define the conditions for when the commission is triggered. Select whether the commission is one-time or recurring. Specify the duration for recurring commissions, if applicable. Add any additional rules for the commission, such as eligibility criteria. Review the rule for accuracy before saving. Click on the Save button to finalize your commission rule. Now, navigate back to the Referrals tab. Select Referral Programs to associate your new commission rule. Choose the referral program you want to link the rule to. Click on Edit next to the selected program. Scroll down to the Commission Rules section. Select your newly created commission rule from the drop-down menu. Save the changes to the referral program settings. To test the setup, simulate a referral to ensure the commission triggers correctly. Monitor your referral program dashboard for real-time updates. Adjust any settings as needed based on your test results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.